Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Universal Studios Butterbeer, step by step. Get ready to conjure up a magical, non-alcoholic drink right in your own kitchen. We'll be combining simple ingredients to recreate that iconic taste you love from the theme parks. This delightful treat is perfect for any occasion, bringing a touch of wizarding wonder to your day. Let's gather our supplies and begin this enchanting culinary adventure together. First, let's prepare the delightful base for our butterbeer. You'll need a good quality cream soda and some butterscotch syrup. The key is to mix these two ingredients in the right proportion to achieve that signature flavor. We recommend using 1 part butterscotch syrup for every 4 parts of cream soda. Stir them together gently until well combined, then make sure to chill this mixture thoroughly. A cold base is essential for the best butterbeer experience. Next up, the magical frothy topping that makes butterbeer so special. For this, you'll need heavy cream, powdered sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract. Combine these ingredients in a mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the mixture on medium-high speed until soft peaks begin to form. This usually takes about 2 minutes, but keep an eye on it. The goal is a light, airy, and slightly sweet foam. Now for the grand finale, assembling your homemade butterbeer. Take your chilled butterscotch cream soda base and carefully pour it into your favorite mugs or glasses. Then, with a spoon, gently dollop a generous amount of your freshly whipped, frothy topping over the top of each drink. Don't be shy with the foam, it's a crucial part of the experience. Serve immediately and savor every magical sip of your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.